All right, everybody. So today we are doing lesson 8-4. This is day 1 and it's volume of rectangular prisms. So in this lesson, a rectangular prism can look like any of these 3 objects. There are 6 faces and they are consistent of rectangles and or squares. The base of the figure is a rectangle or a square. So the base here would be considered anything that the rectangular prism is sitting on. So that would be considered your base. The volume is the amount of space that is inside of that 3D figure. So think of like a can of pop. The volume would be how much pop is in that figure. For the volume formula, we have volume, which is V, is equal to the area of the base, which is why it's an uppercase B, and then times the height of the rectangular prism. So in example number 1, it says to identify each part of the volume formula. So we have volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. For the area of the base, we have our length times our width, and then we have our height. So if we were looking our base is the thing that our rectangular prism is sitting on. So our width is going to be from front to back, how wide is the figure? Our length is going to be like the front or the back, how long is the figure? And then the last one, your height, is anything from the bottom of the figure to the top of the figure. So the height is how tall is your figure. Go ahead and turn the page. So in example number 2, it says find the volume of the rectangular prism. So we have a base and we have a height. So remember, area of the base is our length times our width. So in this figure, we have our length is in the front, and our width is going front to back. Then our last one, which is our height, is top to bottom. So when we write this out, our length, so we're going to have volume is equal to our length, which is 5, times our width of 4, and then that times our height of 3. Actually, let me highlight these ones for you. So our width was in green and our length was in yellow. Then when I go ahead and multiply, I'm going to multiply what's inside my parentheses first. So 5 times 4 is 20. Then I'm going to multiply that by 3. So 20 times 3 is 20, 40, 60. So we're going to have 60 centimeters. And it does say with units. The one thing we need to learn about volume is always cubed. So we would have centimeters cubed with a little 3. Okay, example number 3, it says find the volume of the rectangular prism. So again, we're going to have our length, our width, and then our height. So our length is in that front again. Our length is 9.5. Our width is going to be from front to back. How wide is it? And then our height is from top to bottom. How big is it? So in parentheses, we're going to have our length of 9.5 times our width of 5. And then we have that times our height of 3. So again, in parentheses, we're going to do 9.5 times 5 first, which is going to get us 47.5. Then we're going to multiply that by 3, and that's going to get us 142.5. And again, because it's volume, it has to be meters cubed. Okay, that's it for today.